Hello and welcome everybody, this is Mr. Harper-Smith. Today we're going to be talking about factoring. So quite often, we will often take two binomials, multiply them together. Sorry, it's a little faded. I got a new marker, it should work a little better. We do the little box method. We draw our box. It gives me x and 2, x and 3. That gives me x squared, 2x, 3x, 6. You combine it all together, you get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, that's something that we've been doing. We've done it multiple times in class. But what if we wanted to go backwards? What if we wanted to take a trinomial? It's called a trinomial because there's 3 parts. We wanted to figure out the 2 binomials that multiplied to be it. Well, let's figure out how. What you do, and if we just look at this problem for just a minute, you've got a 2 and a 3. They're both positive. Okay. What's 2 times 3? 6. 2 times 3, 6. What's 2 plus 3? 5. So if we can figure out what 2 numbers add to be the middle term and multiply to be the last term, we can figure out what the original 2 binomials were. So let's try that here. Let's figure out what 2 numbers add to be 3 but multiply to be negative 27. Let's go through and look. The numbers that multiply to be negative 28. We've got negative 1 and 28. We have 28 and negative 1. We have negative 2 and 14. We've got positive 2 and negative 14. We have, what are some other numbers? 4 and negative 7, negative 7 and, positive 7 and negative 4. Okay? Those, I believe, are all the numbers, whole numbers, integers, that multiply to be negative 28. Let's see which of those now add to be 3. Do those add to be 3? No, 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 no. Ooh, is that close? That's negative 3. So in the right area, we want to get positive 3. There they are. 7 plus negative 4 is 3. So how do I write my answer? It's not just 7 and negative 4. Our answers are x plus 7 and x minus 4. Ta-da! Let's try a couple more. All right, let's try these 2 real quick. So again, we add to find the middle number and we're multiplying to get the last number. So what 2 numbers multiply to be 28 but add to be 11? They're both positive, so there's probably not going to be any negatives in here. So we've got 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. Those are about it. Well, that's going to add to be 29, 16, 11. Which one is the correct answer? The last one, 4 and 7. So your answer is x plus 4 and x plus 7. Ta-da! Let's try over here. What 2 numbers multiply to be 18 but add to be negative 11? If you notice, there is a negative in the equation, so we do need to be thinking about negatives as well. So we've got 1 and 18, we've got negative 1 and negative 18, we have 2 and 9, we've got negative 2 and negative 9. Ooh, wait. Don't those add to be negative 11? Yeah, there's more numbers we could have gone through. Right, those ones add to be negative 11. So that gives me x minus 2, x minus 9. Bam, I'm done. All right, I want you to pause the YouTube video now, and I want you to try these 2 problems on your own. Okay, give them a quick try on your own. What do you get for the answers? All right, you should have paused the video. You should have your answer now. For both of them, let's think. What 2 numbers multiply to be negative 6, but add to be 1? Well, I'm thinking there's a negative, so it could be negative 1 and 6, could be negative 6 and 1, could be negative 2 and 3, could be negative 3 and 2. That's about all the possible answers. Which set of numbers adds to be 1? Negative 2 and 3 do. So x minus 2. X plus 3. And you could switch the order of those. It could be positive 3 first and the negative 2. The second one, which two numbers multiply to be -2 but add to be -1? Well, it could be, if they multiply to be -2, we've got -1 and 2. We've got -2 and 1. I think that's it. Those are all the numbers. Which of those add to be -1? There. Ta-da! Cool. Jump over, let your teacher know that you just finished the video. Ask your teacher any questions that you still have. If you want a couple more examples, ask your teacher. They can come up with a couple for you. Cool. The time is yours. Mark, get set, go.